Hey guys, welcome back to my video. This is Anya. This video, we will talk about the stock information about 4 series 1 parallel 180 ampere hour CATL brand lithium battery module for Nissan Leaf color placement. As we know, in previous 2 months, the market have large stock for the 100 ampere hour lithium ion battery module of CATL. And the price is very good and competitive in the market. With the stock of the 180 ampere hour battery module lease and lease, now the whole market is short of stock, and we still have 500 pieces in our warehouse. In our warehouse, only 500 pieces in our stock because each of months we will sell 1,000 pieces of such battery module, but now we only at least 500 pieces. And you guys know when the market is this stock, then the price will increase. So if you have purchase plan for 4 series 1 parallel CATL brand 180 ampere hour lithium battery module, please hurry up your order. And also, I'd like to share with you about the latest news about the market for this battery module. CATL recently released a new bulk of 180 ampere hour battery module, but the real capacity test only 160 to 170 ampere hour around. It is not full capacity. For our stock, these 500 pieces, they all full of 180 ampere hour. So if you guys buy from the market, please be aware of such situation. Please make sure the battery module is full capacity because the market is mass. Okay. If you guys have need for the 4 series 1 parallel 180 ampere hour battery module for Nissan Leaf color placement, please contact with our sales to get the latest stock. See you next video. Bye bye.